Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Homestyle Homestead. My name is Lexi. Today we are going to be tackling something that I don't want to do. I've been putting it off, and that is cleaning out the chicken coop and also in their run, which I just now saw. There's an egg. Ladies, who did that? We have new babies, so they don't really know what they're doing yet. But once a year, we like to come inside. Oh my gosh, another one! What the heck? We like to come inside, take out all the clippings, all the poop, and we put it back in this back composting bin. If you watched any of my gardening videos for putting the garden to bed, you would know that we filled the beds full of the chicken manure. It's really good for the garden, but it has to sit for a year. It's supposed to be really rainy. The weather's supposed to get pretty bad from now on. So I need to get this done. I need to get that composting so that it's ready to go next year for in the garden. So I guess let's get to it. Housekeeping! I should really be wearing a mask, but I don't have one. This is gonna suck. My husband built me this internal cage for when we have chicks. So it has a little door that's like the only way you can get in. So getting this out is going to suck, but gotta do it. Definitely wear a mask. At the end of today's video, I'm also going to be doing a review on Grub Terra's Chicken Coop Refresher Powder. It says it's made from all natural ingredients with a slow release mechanism to extend hereby freshness of your coop. It says it's 100% natural, it's effective up to 5 weeks, and it extends the coop bedding life. So we're gonna give this a try, and I will let you know what I think of it at the end of this video. Okay, now that I have the coop relatively cleaned out, there's still some stuff in here, but I'm gonna leave it because it's not gonna hurt. I got the majority out. Now I'm going to put in the coop some of these pine shavings. We get ours at Tractor Supply. I think they have them Murdoch's. Anywhere that you buy your chicken supplies, they're gonna have this stuff. So I'm gonna lay a fresh layer of this down in the coop now. So let's do that. And there we go. Doesn't that just look so much better, so much more inviting? This is going to be a lot better for them going into winter. It's going to be a lot more insulating. So I'm happy I could get this done. Okay, and now I'm going to use one of these packets of this Chicken Coop Refresher. I'm going to sprinkle it in the coop now, and I'm going to come out here like once a week and smell everything. If you have chickens, you know the smell of chicken poop, and it's disgusting. So you definitely notice it. So I'm gonna put this in here, and then I'm gonna see how long it takes before it starts smelling nasty in here. Okay, and then last thing I'm gonna do for inside the coop, these doors always get really jammed. We need to install a piece of wood across here so that what's in here doesn't come out. If I was more handy with tools, I'd probably put it in here myself, but that's gonna have to be a job for my husband whenever he gets to it. And then into each nesting box, I'm going to add some hay. I think I grabbed too much hay. I'm just gonna push some of it out into the coop. Ooh, all I can smell is the rosemary from that coop refresher. It smells delicious. The girls will get in here and they'll make their bed how they want it, but now they've at least got new sheets on their bed. Changed the sheets for them. Hoping they start using the nesting boxes a little more. Right now they're just laying their eggs down in that little chick area that I showed you. They like they jump down in there from the back and then they can't get out. they get stuck and then they lay their eggs in there. My chickens are so skittish. It's annoying. Okay, and now last thing I'm gonna do is just kind of rake this, take out any nasties. Scaredy cats. Okay. Go check out your new house. Anybody? What do you guys think? How did I do? Fill their food up. And now the chicken coop is clean. We have our composting for next year's garden, and I can check this off my to-do list finally. I just got home from a huge sourdough craft fair thing, and I pulled up and I looked at the chicken coop and I was like, I need to go check in and smell it in there for you guys. So it's been a few weeks since I put in the Grub Terra Coop refresher powder, and so I wanted to give it a smell. Oh yeah, it still smells very much, oh hello, very much like rosemary in here. That's all you can smell actually. So far so good. Okay you guys, it has officially been 5 weeks since I put the Grub Terra Coop refresher powder in my coop, and I wanted to come give you guys another update. Hi, why are you in here? You're always in here. I think she's dying. It smells not bad in here, and if you have chickens, you know they're stinky, and the fact that it doesn't smell overpoweringly stinky in here says a lot. I've actually been really impressed, so I'm going to sprinkle another packet in here just to keep things going with the freshness. This scent is rosemary, and I actually really like the smell of this one. What I really like about this company is it's made in the USA, and it's made with all natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about anything harming your chickens or harming the environment. It's all really great. They have already filled this top shelf back up with poop, which is just so funny. Got a couple little eggs in here. I was actually so impressed with it that I did reach out and ask them for a discount code. If you are interested in trying it out for your chicken coop, use the code Lexi20 at checkout and you'll get 20% off. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. And until the next one, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!